This video is completely thanks to the person who requested this unboxing. What's up everybody, Blood Moon Bobby here, back with another Star vs. the Forces of Evil Funko Pop unboxing. I know I've been posting quite a few Star videos lately, which I know it shouldn't be unexpected since after all my channel is named Blood Moon Bobby, and I am a fan of Star vs. the Forces of Evil, but you know, I don't just cover Star, I also cover other topics too in the animation, film, and tech industries, but coincidentally we are here today to unbox the regular Star Funko Pop. In a previous video of mine, which you can still check out on my channel, I unboxed Butterfly Mode Star because that was the first Star Funko Pop that I was able to get my hands on. And yeah, if you want to watch that unboxing, I'll have a link at the end of this video. But yeah, I managed to get this one at the Gallery Nucleus. I was at that farewell to Mewni, the Blood Moon Ball event. Another video you guys could check out. I don't mean to keep spamming videos, I'm just saying. But that was where I got this Star Butterfly Funko Pop. And by the way, at the event, I actually managed to get a replacement Butterfly Mode Star because the one that I currently have, when the wings accidentally broke when I dropped it one day, this one here I'm actually going to keep in the box, not just because of protection, but also because I managed to get some of the autographs of the cast. Like you could see Eden Shear, Darren FC, and several others. So yeah, this one is definitely staying in the box. Once again, thank you to my good friend Valentina Ruiz. You're a very wonderful person, and thank you for giving me this replacement. But for this video, let's take a look here at regular Star Butterfly. And I believe somebody it was either in my comment section or maybe it was social media, they wanted me to unbox the regular Star Butterfly a while back, and now I got my chance. And so for that person who requested that, I forgot your name, I'm really, really sorry. Now you can finally have your wish. So yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. I don't want to get my head too far in the video, so yeah. I'm usually not one of those people that's really picky in terms of, you know, don't ever take them out of the box, because I like taking them out of the box and putting them in the background of my videos. My replacement Star Butterfly is the exception to the rule. So yeah, when you take it out of the box, it's just like this. Ooh, she's coming out. She's coming out. She's coming. Let's get her out in one piece. The bottom of the box, you could see here, I'll get this in focus, has this kind of stand. I noticed that when the regular Star came out, a lot of people didn't notice that on the bottom there is this stand, which I'll get out. It's quite tough to get out. Yeah, so this is regular Star Butterfly, as you can see right here. I'll take a picture, a product photography picture with the white background, so you guys could get a better look at regular Star Butterfly. I'll also have it taken with the stand so you guys could see how it's supposed to go, but it's a really hard fit. Let me see if I could actually get this in the video where you were supposed to put the stand inside the hole. Yeah, it takes a good press, but it works. Oh, hey, I managed to get her in. Yeah, so that's exactly how the stand works. I'll get this autofocus for you. But yeah, I'll show my product photography photo of regular Star Butterfly with the stand itself, so you can get a much better idea of what she's supposed to look like, and in a much better setting. I realize that using my jacket as a sort of backdrop isn't exactly the best thing, but I figured it's much better to have than a really disheveled bedsheet. So yeah, so that's regular Star Butterfly for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of regular Star. I'm glad I could fulfill the wish of that person who asked me previously to unbox regular Star. I think for now she'll definitely go in my in the background of my video set for the time being. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Blood Moon Bobby, and thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of The Butterfly Show. Please subscribe to the Blood Moon Bobby YouTube channel. Remember to hit the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, share it, and follow Blood Moon Bobby on social media to hear the latest about our thoughts on Star vs. the Forces of Evil. See you next time.